Okay.
For starters, I'm here in your profile. How would you finish this sentence? Do you need an experienced what to describe why we should hire you? Do you need an experienced?
Experienced business leader with a diversified experience in marketing operations and general management, experienced in designing and executing growth strategies.
I'm looking for, that's all good. I'm looking for up to 5 words, like an experienced medical device operations leader, or, I'm looking for a discipline because you've mentioned a lot of them here.
So it would be medical device, marketing.
Marketing. So Chief Marketing Officer, Senior Vice President of Marketing?
Correct.
Okay. All right, good. Next is, I want to show you a profile that I helped make for my client, Michelle.
Okay.
And here we used her banner to say what her value proposition is.
Mm-hmm.
We maxed out the number of characters that she's using here to describe the things that she's about. It's a little keyword stuffing, but I think it works in this case. And then we used the space available here to explain her value prop and how she can help.
Mm-hmm.
So we have some opportunity, I think, with yours. I began to think about what kind of banner might project your value prop.
Mm-hmm.
And I thought that the best social proof we have about your value is the companies that hired you already. These are big names, and they would recognize you as being a leader. So I began to, you can use or discard, completely up to you. I began to think about what it would look like if we created a banner that highlight your brands. And that's why I was saying, do you need an experience something, so that when I come and visit your page, I immediately like, okay, I see the social proof of these big brands, and you're saying clearly, do you need? So that's saying that I'm available. And basically, this is why you should continue reading. Why do you care? So if you, I'm just throwing this together here. It's not as though I've spent any time really thinking about the design. It could be as simple as stacking them here on the right-hand side. But before I spend more time on this, do you like this concept?
I think for behind the banner, yes. I've talked to a considerable amount of people about what to put on there on the LinkedIn profile. So it's gone through several edits, and I think primary, it's marketing and general management would be the 2 primary on that. So I do like the back banner idea. I think that's good.
Okay, so now I'm going to go into Sales Navigator. And I'm going to start with people in my group. So that's 350,000. And I'm going to say that you want to talk with people in medical devices. How would you like to filter further? We're down to 135,000 people.
Charlotte, obviously. You could do all Florida. I don't know if you could put a whole state in there.
I can.
Yeah, I'm looking for companies that are mid-cap and small-cap is kind of my sweet spot.
I could take out or include recruiters.
I have a good comprehensive recruiter list, so you could take out recruiters.
5, 10. Now let's, just for laughs, I'll try people that I am first connected with and see what that does. So I was just working on this today. I'm going to show you this. These are all of my first connections filter. So I'm going to give you only people who are manufacturers. And I'm going to give you only C-suite, SVP, and VP.
Yeah, and as you know, one of the challenging things, because I've done some sorts myself, is, you know, even with recruiters, you may talk to a recruiter in Seattle that has a job for you in the Southeast. So it's very difficult to limit in areas. That's why the networking has proved kind of fruitful for myself.
Do you, of these, I have biz dev and I have marketing and sales, and I can pick C-suite. Development, I mean, design and development, product manager type people. Interesting, not interesting?
Not interesting. Because what I'm targeting right now is senior marketing roles with runway to general management or general management roles.
There. Now you can leaf through it at your leisure.
Oh, no, I really appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Yeah, no, I will go through it. And if there's anybody that's of interest, I saw some target companies in there locally where I don't have kind of connections. I can reach out to you and see if you have a good relationship and maybe give me a referral, or I could just reach out to them directly.